Hello everybody, this is my Kia Picanto's lower control arm, which I had new bushes fitted today, which is the second time this week I've had new bushes fitted. If you watch my other video, you'll see my complaints about the original company that fitted them. But here that I'm holding on the left of the bush that's been put in is the brand new bush that was inserted a few days ago by another company, and as you can see, it's not round. On this side it's alright though, but here it's not round. The bush is actually damaged when inserting it, and I wasn't happy with that. So I had Hennie Dreyer of Tata Motors in Mokopane fit a new bush for me, and as you can see, it is pushed in perfectly and it's perfectly round with no issues whatsoever on both sides. The other bush that I was upset about, that was also brand spanking new, put in a day ago. You see this side of the bush, the person who installed it just decided to cut it with a knife. This side looks alright though, except for, you see this piece here that's severely damaged. Now you might be thinking, well, this got damaged from being removed with the press today. Well, actually, if you watch my other video on this, you will see I actually point to this piece of rubber sticking out, but it's only now that it's been removed can you see how badly this bush was damaged just from the person who inserted it. And they did insert it with a press, but obviously the person who did it doesn't really have much experience. And then finally, I wanted to show you, so I had the new bush put in on this side, and as you can see, it looks absolutely perfect all around. And like I said, this job was done by Hennie Dreyer of Tata Motors in Mokopane, and the new ball joint, as you can see, there is no break in the rubber. Here's the rubber that was also brand new about 2 days ago, and if you look here, it's a bit difficult to show because now that it's not under tension, a person can't see the crack. Oh, there it is. I'm not sure if you can see that break over there. Anyway, that break was from the installation. You can actually see it better in the other video I made where the parts were still installed on the lower control arm. Anyway, if you would like someone to install bushes and ball joints in your lower control arm or any other quality mechanic work, I definitely can recommend Hennie Dreyer of Tata Motors. He has done a lot of work for me in the past, including installing of a clutch plate in 2 different vehicles of mine, and the vehicles have since done more than 60,000 Ks and I've had no issues. His contact details I'll put in the comments. Thank you for watching.